Hello there, my name is John Story, I'm the CTO of Datapath and we're here at ISE 2023 and I'd like to just say a couple of things about a product that we've got on the stand here, which is the VisionSC S2 capture card. Adds to Datapath's legendary range of capture cards and brings SDVoE into that family. SDVoE users know about their need for quality and for low latency, and that's exactly the sort of thing that Datapath capture cards are famous for. So this tends to be used in many verticals such as sort of healthcare systems and other areas where high quality and latency is really key. It also allows SDVoE networked video to be brought into Datapath's range of wall controllers, so it just widens the whole scope of everything we offer today. So if you want more details on that and any other Datapath products, go to our website, which is www.datapath.co.uk, and I'll sign off and say thanks for watching.